Portugal, Switzerland tonight. Haven't missed the start of a game yet. I actually left early tonight because I've been late to the last few games and our freaking bus driver got lost. And I've been hearing about that, bus drivers getting lost, but tonight's 2-hour ride was supposed to be 35 minutes. 25 minutes till game time. Hopefully we can get to seats before this thing starts. Let's roll. Why am I always the last one in this freaking stadium? Huh. Almost there. 10 minutes till kickoff. Hoping to make the national anthem. Here we go. I might puke. 7:07. Some national anthem is playing right now. Jesus, I'm super high. I made it. 7:06 YY. Again, this is as high as you get in a 90,000 person stadium. Nightmare. But I made it for kickoff. And I could hear one of the national anthems outside. Let's see if we can get some predictions.
2-1 Portugal. Listen. Portugal. 2-0. 2-1 Portugal.
We'll take it. Prediction. Game's started. My prediction. I heard Ronaldo's not starting. One of the greatest players in the history of gaming. And you're dumb enough to put him on the bench. You deserve to lose. But I feel like you're gonna bring him out in the second half, and it's gonna be a 1-1 game, and we're gonna win. Portugal's gonna win 3-1. Let's go. From the nosebleeds. Doing the wave. These dummies are doing the wave. We got a freaking goal. Portugal. 1-0. Great goal. Great goal. I hope I got it. Knuckleheads are jumping up doing the wave. We absolutely sniped that top dog. Nobody up here saw it. Everyone's doing the wave. Except for me. I had that camera out. Oh, just missed. Go! Oh! 2-0. Beautiful cross, beautiful header. They never had a shot. Just buried it. Yeah, Pepe, that's how to get the head on it. I can't tell who's who up here because I can't even read the numbers or so. I've never been higher in a stadium in my life. Like, this is like, I felt like I was a fireman coming up these stairs. There's 7 stories of stairs, level 7. By the rafters, but Pepe, nice goal kick. Thought they had one on that one, pretty close. Got to finish those. All right, halftime review. Why is Ronaldo not playing? What the hell is going on? You're in the playoffs of the freaking World Cup and he's not out there. He's done everything. Dummies. But they're up 2-1. 2-1 Portugal. It's a Portugal heavy crowd, super heavy Portugal crowd. I kind of want to see Switzerland score and I can see like who's here for Switzerland, like how many fans they have. Besides that, what a freaking nightmare. Like, I left my place at 7 to get here on time. 7:15 I left my room. I get on the bus probably 7:30 latest, and we didn't roll up until 9:30. It took 2 hours because this knucklehead was so lost. So freaking lost. I felt bad for him. He had guys from every language screaming at him. Like the first hour, everyone like kind of played ball. And then when it was at the point where we were about to miss the game, and I'm telling you, every single person on that bus but me missed the start of the game. Like, I sprinted right out, was running, take a break here and there, fast walk, run. You finally get to the stadium, and of course, every freaking night, I'm on the back end of the stadium. I get to my section, I know it was high. Dude, 7 stories up, around like steps, around. There was literally kids and old ladies and old men on the side, like taking breaks at 3rd floor, 5th floor, 7th floor. It was chaos. But I made it for the first drop of the game. Almost missed the first goal because these dummies around me are all doing the wave, but I just got the camera in there just in time. And hey, I'm just happy to be here. I told the bus driver, I was like, hey man, at least you got us here. So I don't know what kind of training they're giving these bus drivers, but I've been hearing a lot of the bus drivers missing the ride. So 2-0, put Ronaldo in the game. I didn't come here to see anybody but the great Ronaldo, Cristiano Ronaldo, score a goal. And hopefully Portugal will close this out. The fans will go nuts, and it's gonna be a beautiful night. So crazy start to the night, but we're at halftime, second half. Here we go. The whole crowd just started cheering because Ronaldo's warming up. Hopefully he gets to be better. From the nosebleeds, 3-zip. That's a great play. Squirt. This was the biggest cheer of the night. This crowd wants blood. They want blood, and they want Ronaldo, and I want Ronaldo in the game. 4-0. Beautiful play. Tic-tac-toe. Just finished. What a finish. 4-zip. Bring in Ronaldo, you dummies. Baby. The Swiss are on the board. I don't think there's any Swiss fans here. I'm looking for a Swiss flag somewhere. Anywhere. Swiss flag somewhere. Maybe they're not cheering because it's 4-1, but zeros. I saw one Swiss flag. He put it up and he put it down quick. I don't know. Wave that thing, Swiss. Ronaldo! Bring him in, coach. All-time beatdown. 5-1. Literally the loudest ovation of the night. Ronaldo's in. This is the 3rd time I've seen him play. I haven't seen him score a goal yet, so it's about time we see a Sue. Offsides. Not Ronaldo, but that's 6. Crazy. 6-1. That's gonna put a wrap on it. It was 4 minutes of extra time. Maybe there's 1 minute left. everybody in the stadium, all they wanted to see was a Ronaldo goal. This guy to shoot. You're supposed to pass. A nice shot. 6-1. That's a wrap from underneath Lusail Stadium. Man, so there were a lot of Portugal fans in there. I didn't notice a lot of Swiss fans. Like, everyone's got a Ronaldo shirt, a Portugal flag, but in the end, 6-1 beat down. And they had Ronaldo, the dummies left Ronaldo on the bench. What were you thinking? What were you thinking? I know you won 6-1. This guy needs to be out there. He's one of the all-time greatest athletes, soccer players, football players in the history of this freaking game. And you guys think he's old. He's Tom Brady old. He's still got it. Put him in the game. And so, yeah, everyone was chanting for him to get in. And then he almost had a goal. Everybody wanted that goal so bad. Like, same as me. Like, everyone said, hey, I saw Ronaldo score. That's 3 times I've seen him play. I haven't seen him score. Maybe I'll get to see one more. We'll see. We'll see how the rest of this week goes. But in the end, a beautiful game. Pepe with that header. The other guy, I forget the guy's name, had a hat trick, and like they had some beautiful, beautiful goals. Shame on me for even saying the other guy, but I was so high, you couldn't even see the name of people who was scoring. I was in the nosebleeds. Again, I've had a couple, I've had a front row seat, I've had a couple nosebleed seats. It's been a good mix. But we're getting down to the finals, baby. And hopefully there'll be some great matches to come. So with that being said, I'm exhausted. Thank you so much. If you've been following along, you've seen me at Lusail a couple times already. Please like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate all the love I'm getting. And we're almost at 1,000. We're taking this thing. We're leveling up. We're about to hit 1,000. So be part of the squad. Support me. I appreciate it so much. I'll see you soon. Peace. Look at the size of this freaking mob of people out here celebrating the win. Hold on. So this is one of the most amazing things about the World Cup. Areas like this where everybody comes together and like just kind of, I don't know, wears their colors, cheers, says hi to each other, takes photos with each other. It's a magical spot, a magical time. I want to make it to this beautiful shark. And I was like walking through here and there's all these people and there's something like people keep asking me, do you feel safe or you're all right? And like, I don't know if there's a safer place on the planet right now. There is so much security, so many police officers, and people like kind of know like, don't break the law, don't do stupid stuff, don't try to steal someone's phone in an area like this because you'll get in big trouble. Check out that whale. It's sick. Look at this thing. Sick. And then in between these buildings are so freaking majestic. They look, that off black color with the little sparkles looks so sick at night. So sick. This whale, it gets better the closer you get to it. Check it. So sick. What a cool area, cool neighborhood. The buildings, the architecture, the vibe. Feeling safe too. Not bad, Lusail. Not bad. Now we're gonna go find this bus and see if I can make it home tonight. Hopefully the bus driver knows where he's going. Let's ride. So my bus left at 11:09. The first one took 2 hours to get here. Hopefully if this guy knows where he's going, it'll be way quicker. We'll see. Just got off the bus. It was just under an hour. So that guy wasn't as lost as I thought, but he was still an hour off the mark. 1 a.m. exhausted. Good night.